Welcome back, guys, to another session here, trading the DAX. So overall, if we're looking at the 4-hour time frame, you can see we have resistance, same as last time. We consolidated here, and then we sold all the way back again, and we actually break below the 230 and the 200 level. And right now we are trading below 200. That's a short signal. But as always, when you see a strong reaction down, this is the first 10 minutes. So we open around highs of 280. We start selling off. We gain things back, but no progress above. And then we push right back, but no really progress below 150. And then they trying to push it above 200. If we push above 200, I'll go for long. And if we break below 200 and we fail to break above 200 within the first 15 minutes, so in about 2 minutes, then I'll consider it short. But be careful, it could rally. Nasdaq is really selling off again, as you can see. It's extremely weak. It's trading at all-time lows. We must see a reaction today. But let's see. 13 minutes over, and we saw a big push to 206, and then we see a strong rejection back again here. So for me to consider a long, we might have to break a second time above 206, and we might get it right there. For me to consider a short, we need to see progress below 150. That's a very weak sign, and that should be a sell signal. But again, let's give the market some time. You can see it's very weak. We passed 15 minutes soon, and you can see every time we get to 200, strong rejection. I'll go in for a light long here. It's currently trading at 182.83. I want to see if this could push up, and if it push, then I could consider closing it, but it could also sell off. So let's see here. I'll exit this one here, just at 210. You can exit now at 210. I got out for an extremely bad entry. I saw that. There must be some delay on these charts compared to my other charts. But it's okay. I told you to go in at 182. I went in at 185. I stay close at 10. It was consolidating, and now we're trading at 22, and we just went to 32. So plan was long above here. I saw a long above, and that's why I went in. Yeah, very, very bad exit. It is what it is. I don't have to complain about that. I still managed to make good money. So there's no reason to complain here. Could push back. Just be careful here. But still lower highs. We don't have higher highs, we have lower highs, and we had lower lows in the first 15 minutes. Be careful, it could be a big push here, break below here. I could consider going for a short. But again, I told you everything above 205 long. But so we passed 15 minutes right now. Let's see how it's gonna look. We above 200, it's a long, but we want to see progress above. But be careful going long here, go long there. It could act as a resistance, and it could sell all the way back again. I'm not super sure about direction, to be honest. Yes, we can sell below. It's very risky, okay? Just be very careful here. Will this act as a new high? We passed 15 minutes. We are below 209. I could consider going long again, 180, but I'm afraid it could sell back to lows of 150. Let's see here. I'll go in for a light short here. It's very risky. I'll exit this one here, guys. That was a very quick scalp. But remember, when I say something and you're holding it a little bit longer than I hold it, usually you make much more money than me. To just break it down, like when I say a direction down or if I say a direction up, you can see it's trading at 87, 82, you see? You're getting out much better than me. So I identified direction, I went long, it went against me, and then it went up and I closed it and then it just rallied. Same here. I go short and I closed it very quick and we're trading 15 points lower. So I'm just here to react. I'm not here to predict. You can predict and hold it if you want. I am not going to do that. When I make like 4K in under a second, then I'm very happy. So same support, 174. We just got right below. It's going to be very dangerous. Like this market is like actually very weak. Everyone is just dumping all the stocks. It's insane. This is completely insane. It could be a long, but I would be very careful here. We'd rather go for a short. We could push up, be careful. It could push it to 250. I currently have an idea that it will push it to 250, and this is going to be the new lows. We need to see progress above 300 if it's going to come back. I'm not super sure if they really want to push it all the way back again. Do you have any news coming in? Let's see here. So we have some Germany CPI. Okay, so we have some information. Chicago PMI, yeah, so big pushback. I want to see if it's going to rally and push to 250. It might, after this strong push there. It's not for no reason. Like there might come a big candle soon and take you all out. Could also consider going for a short here. But let's see. I might short it at 250. So be careful. They're trying to push it above. I told you one thing. Go long after 15 minutes if we're holding above 200. So every time it goes above 200, and that's first really now, then that's a long, but I'm not super sure if they really want to push it to like 300, 400, like I think they might gonna stop it here. So I think it's more like a short signal. So I would like to go in for a short around 250 and have a tight stop loss. Be careful shorting it. It's against the trend. The short-term trend is pointing up. Things it's really selling off. It's tough to say. So no really progress above 250. I'm considering going for a short around 250. They might push it to 275 and that's my stop loss. So I want to see if they're going to push it above 250. It's very weak. Could consider a short here. Oh, I missed that one. Yeah, so I missed the short here. Let's see if it's going to come back quick. Then we can do a short. If it's coming back to 240, I consider a short. So I missed this one here. But it's okay. We see same patterns here. Big push, rejection, big push. Let's see. this push to 215 again? Nope. Selling pressure, we sold that from 230 back to 170. So we saw a 60-point move. We might also see that here, 60-point move to 180, right? So let's see if they're gonna push it or if they want to sell it off again. Currently, I'm not in. This might be my last trade, but let's see here. We are past 922. I consider going for a quick short here. I'm shorting it here. It's currently trading at 210, 211. Let's see. Big push coming right there. Moving stop loss again. Let's see, they could push it. Let's see. I'll exit this one here and I will call it a morning. Very good morning. 3 trades in a row where I made a lot. I took the right direction. I focus on the smaller move. It was what I'm reacting to. So I'll see you later. Very good morning for me.